Hello friends, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Michael, and on this channel we discuss about how to start and run successful small-scale businesses. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm taking you through simple small home gardens that you can make so that you can save your money that you spend in markets every day, and this definitely can help you actually save more money. So these are my cabbages. Of course, I won't be buying cabbages in the next few months because I already have more than 50 cabbages on this small garden. That means it can take me more than 2 months when I have not bought any any cabbage. So if we go to the other side, you can see I have also these are called sukuma wiki. These are called cornflower, in fact not sukuma wiki but cornflower. So these are cornflowers. I have also more than 50 cornflowers here. So when we move to this side, I also have this is a dodo. This is a dodo, and also have some tomatoes here. So these tomatoes are coming out very well, as actually you can see they are great. So this small garden can help me save a lot of money when it comes to buying vegetables at home and everything. This is a dodo, and this is, by the way, it has grown. It has overgrown, but it is a nice one when it is still young. So we also have green peppers. We also have green peppers. You can see how big it is. They are very nice. I have 20 sticks here, 20 plants, and these also help supplement on my diet. This is called sukuma wiki, and also I had some nakati. So those people who know nakati, this is a cornflower, and these are grown. We promote here urban gardening. So this is spinach. This is spinach. It has overgrown, and these are seedlings now. We have cabbages here. You see, these are cabbages, yeah, and soon or later we shall be harvesting them. This is called ginger. To those of you who have never actually seen ginger, this is ginger, and of course these are beans. You can already see they're almost ready for harvesting. This is also spinach, and these are going to be my seedlings. This is called I don't know the name, but we eat actually leaves. It's like beans. In my language, it's called omugovia. And also we have here, this is an onion. But this onion, the good thing with it, we eat leaves. We eat leaves of this onion. We have also these are cornflowers. They are growing very well. This is an onion. You see, this is an onion, and these are cabbages. So if you start a small scale home garden, the good thing with it, it will help you save money. And you know, our daily expenditures affect our businesses. Yes, if you buy everything from the market, it will be hard for you to save money. Reason behind is you spend a lot of money on buying these spices, vegetables, and blah blah blah. So setting up a home kitchen garden will help you actually survive these expenses, and also it will help you maybe save some money that you can use maybe to pay school fees for your children, or even add on to your business. This can only, they may not only be just for consumption. The surplus can be also taken to the market and you exchange it with cash. So here we are, and this is our kitchen garden. We are looking for ways for partnership and how we can really improve this and take these seedlings to the rest of the people around here, maybe so that we can improve on our diets, start eating well, fight malnutrition, and so on and so forth. But so far so good. This project does not require a lot of input because you can just get these used bags and you get use for them after putting in soil, adding some manure, and later on you can use them. To plant some some vegetables. Yes, so here we are. We have like 8 species here of vegetables. We have spinach, we have cabbages, we have cornflower, we have dodo, we have nakati, we have purples, we have also, these are pumpkins. We have a lot of things here, and they are all grown in maybe 100 by 80, 100 by 80 piece of land. So anyone can manage, anyone can promote urban gardening, and anyone can manage to do this thing. So for now, I will say bye-bye, but maybe we meet in the other episodes of the videos. But get to know that you can do this yourself. You can try to save money by making sure that you don't buy everything from the market. Yeah, you can save money by trying to have your own home garden. This is called a kitchen garden, and most of you people well know that this is one of the highly sponsored home activity in the entire world. If you are looking for donors and sponsorship and everything, this is one of the things that you'll present to someone and they won't hesitate to actually give you the funds that you need. So here we are. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Michael once again, and this is part of the supplementary videos that I make on how you can actually save money. Saving money does not necessarily mean you reducing your expenditures or minimizing or even starving yourself. You don't need to starve yourself in order to save money. You need to actually create other means, other ways of improving your income or getting other sources of revenue or other sources of inputs that do not actually take your exact money. So here we are, and this is my simple home garden. I'm trying to improve it to another level. Maybe I will have maybe more than 300 or bags with cabbages and other also vegetables. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Kindly subscribe, like this channel for more interesting videos like this. Bye bye.